I'm talking to Paula Higginson from CPPE. Paula's the director of the new postgraduate qualifications in community pharmacy, public health services. So, Paula, what is this latest development from CPPE?
From September, we will be delivering postgraduate certificate, diploma and masters in community pharmacy, public health services.
Why is CPPE offering postgraduate qualifications?
It's linked to the significant government changes that we're seeing at the moment related to public health and public health services. So we're about to see the development of a new National Public Health Service, and we're already seeing changes in New World Commissioning. Both of these are putting community pharmacy at the forefront of delivering public health services, and they're recognising the skills and the capabilities that community pharmacists have. CPPE are working in collaboration with the University of Manchester, and as such have a raft of quality educational initiatives that they can put forward and develop to ensure the delivery of a high quality postgraduate learning programme. And it just seems that the time's right for CPPE to make the leap into delivering postgraduate qualifications along with the support that we can get from the university.
Can you tell us more about the programmes?
I guess the thing that's different from many postgraduate programmes is that they will be delivered completely online, so they're fully web-based programmes. This means that all the teaching, learning and assessment will be undertaken by the student largely at a time and in a place that suits themselves, so there's more or less complete flexibility. I say more or less complete flexibility just because not everything can be completely flexible. We need to make sure that we have some interaction between the tutors and the students, live web-based interaction, and that the students can sort of talk to each other through live interactions as well. So there will be some times where students will be expected to be online at the same time. The programme consists of a series of optional and compulsory course units. Again, this offers the students the flexibility of being able to choose the direction that they take in terms of their learning. So, for example, in Year 1, a student would have to take a course unit in the Introduction to Public Health Services and a course unit related to delivering high quality services, but then they could choose from a series of units relating to sexual health services, minor ailment services, substance misuse services. So it's quite a lot of flexibility to support their own learning.
So Paula, does online learning mean less support for students?
Interesting question, and I guess some people may perceive that to be an issue or a problem. However, all of our course unit leaders are being trained to recognise the importance of ensuring that we can deliver the same supportive learning environment that we would if we were seeing our students face to face, and that will hopefully result in students having as equally high a learning experience and hopefully enjoying their learning and maybe even having some fun along the way as they would if they were having to come to the university to attend lectures or tutorials, etc. We will be exploiting technology as much as we can and in as many varied ways as possible to ensure that we've got good communication systems both between the tutors and the students, but also between, you know, students and peers themselves. So, okay, we'll be using the standard things like email and not quite so technical, but telephone means of communication. But we'll probably also look to use things like Skype and MSN instant messaging as well, if they are preferred means of communicating for the students.
So how can interested pharmacists learn more about the programmes?
The best way to learn more about the detail of the programmes and what they involve and how they develop and progress is to visit the website, the university website. If people want to get in touch directly with myself or one of the team, then they can email us using the email address of diploma@cppe.ac.uk.
Okay, thank you, Paula.